right. Got the hats here. Look at that. These ladies did a really good job. All right. Let's go to the other booths I didn't see yet. Okay. I don't think I've seen these guys. Oh. Okay. I believe I got those folks yesterday, so we're gonna come over here. Nice. Beautiful. Let's go over here and see what we got here. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Nice, nice. Let's get a little closer, see what we got. Nice. Oh, I didn't notice this. Got some shirts here. Here we go. How's it going, sir? Nice. Look at that. Oh, I didn't notice that. Nice. All right, let's go. Who else we didn't see? All right, the pop figure section's not open yet. Nice. All right, let's go to the next section. Go. All right. Look at this, guys. Excellent work. Make sure you get the logo in there. There we go. I'm guessing this is more for retro stuff. Yep, this is retro things. Oh. Oh.
Wait a second.
Oh, sorry. Got right here. Look at that. Look at this work right here. Look at this amazing work. Here we go. Nice, nice. Here we go. Make sure to get that logo. Oh, it's a logo down here. There you go. Make sure to get the logo. There you go. Perfect. All right. Go. Ladies got over here. Ladies, here you go. Perfect. Let's see what else they got over here. Okay, okay. Get the pins. Nice. Let's move on to this lady right here. She's still setting up, so I'll have to make my way back around.
Yeah. Coming.
Oh, I'll be back around, trust me. Look at this, guys. Here. Nice. Let's get the logo. Perfect. There's the owner. Here we go. Let's get the dolls. Actually, everything's set up over here. Okay. Person right here. That's the person gonna be selling the stuff. Got some lightsabers over here. you doing?
Free candy.
You said free candy.
Free candy.
Oh, well, I definitely do some. It is some of these right here. I'm going around filming all the. I'm one of the vendors too. I'm Strike&Keo tees. I sound like that. Yep, I'm the first one. Thank you. We have everything in house. We don't ship out for anything. We make them. I want to get our action selling. There you go. There you go. That's right. Rock that. Beautiful. Nice. Oh, you want your bag too?
That's it.
Oh, that was you. Gotta get the man in the face right there. There you go, brother. Nice. All right. There we go. You guys